If you are a developer and want to make money helping small businesses adopt AI, here is a practical idea for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a real-world idea for helping small businesses, like your neighborhood bakery, leverage AI tools like large language models to boost sales, save time, and work smarter. We'll break down a full use case, step by step, using a fictional bakery I'll call Sweet Crumbs. By the end, you'll have a roadmap for how to offer this as a paid service, or even turn it into a micro SaaS. Let's jump in. But first, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Small businesses like bakeries, cafés, or local flower shops often don't have full websites, apps, or automated systems. For example, Sweet Crumbs gets most of its orders through WhatsApp, voice messages, or DMs. The owner juggles baking, taking calls, replying to messages, all at once. And here's the opportunity. AI can automate all of that. Imagine this. You build a WhatsApp-based AI assistant for Sweet Crumbs using tools like OpenAI ChatGPT via API, Twilio WhatsApp API for messaging, Python or Node.js backend. You can also use Zapier or Make for no-code integrations. The AI listens for incoming messages, text or voice, and interprets them using speech-to-text, like Whisper or Google Cloud speech-to-text. Then, using LLM, the AI assistant parses and understands these messages. Example of a customer message. Hey, can I get 2 cinnamon rolls and a gluten-free cupcake for tomorrow at 10? The AI assistant does a few things behind the scenes. Parses the order, items, quantities, time. Checks availability from a Google Sheet or Airtable. Sends a human-sounding reply with a payment link, Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay. Once the customer pays the order, the payment service notifies the AI. Then the AI updates the order queue, Google Sheets, Notion, or a small database. As you notice, no staff intervention needed. Fully automated, fully natural. And if something's unclear, the AI either asks for clarification automatically or flags the message to the owner with a suggested response. Similarly, if it was a flower shop, the client could send a query asking for a bouquet within a certain budget. For her friend, who is recovering from a surgery, the AI will propose several options and may ask if the client would like a delivery option to her friend's place. This isn't just about orders. Here's how the same AI stack can help the business run better. 1. Personalized marketing. Every Friday afternoon, the AI checks for slow days and sends messages to frequent customers. Hey Emma, just baked your favorite gluten-free chocolate muffins. Want me to save a few? It uses past order history and customer preferences stored in Sheets or Firestore. Personalized messages are way more efficient than generic ones. 2. Instagram posts and content. The LLM can write Instagram captions, create promo emails, suggest hashtags and posting times. 3. Daily briefing for the owner. Each morning, send a summary. You have 12 pickups today, 3 vegan, 2 gluten-free. Low on almond flour. Yesterday's bestseller, lemon poppy muffins. 4. Training staff. Generate standard operating procedures and checklists on the fly for new hires. Here's the big picture. Small businesses don't need flashy tech. They need simple, smart tools that save time and make money. As a developer, you can do the setup AI as a service, offer ongoing support, or even turn this into a plug-and-play product for multiple businesses. Go bake something awesome today. Sweet Crumbs may be fictional, but the opportunity? 100% real.